Good evening, friends. This is your HR friend Girish, and nowadays we are facing a severe second wave of corona, that is COVID-19 virus, and it has been affected for several lives, several families at our state and country. And here, as a commercial organizations, each and every commercial organization can utilize the corporate social responsibility provision and contribute to the society. And before going to the CSR activities, and here I want to discuss with you about the CSR legislations. And as per the Companies Act 2013, which is the latest amendment, and which has taken from the Principal Act, which is the Companies Act 1956. The next latest one is the Companies Act 2013. And in this Companies Act 2013, under section 135, we can find the CSR activities. And here in Companies Act 2013, we have a Schedule 7. And in this Schedule 7, we have total 13 points in which the CSR or the corporate social responsibilities activities can be executed by the commercial organizations or the commercial companies working in any of the industry. And here, coming to the point, which company or which organization can contribute in the CSR? Point number one, the company's net worth is 500 crore and above. Point number two is the company's annual sales or business turnover is 1000 crores and above. And point number three is the company's net profit annually, which is 5 crore and above. So in these three financial criterias, comes any of the companies or organization can contribute to the corporate social responsibility activities. So totally 13 points has been mentioned in the Schedule 7 of the under section 135 of the Companies Act 2013, and the Principal Act which has been taken or abstracted from the Principal Act, which is the Companies Act 1956. So here, coming to the point, where I want to focus is each and every company can contribute in this present severe corona cases by utilizing the point number 9 of the Schedule 7, which is contributing to the National Relief Fund, being chaired by the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, or any of the relief fund being promoted or authorized by the central government of India. This is point number 9. This is point number 9 of the Schedule 7 of the Companies Act 2013, which comes under the section 135 of the CSR. And coming to the point number 12 of the Schedule 7, which is the disaster management. So any company or any of the private organization or a limited company or any of the company which comes under these three financial criteria, what I have told, the net worth 500 crores and above, or the annual turnover 1000 crores and above, or the net profit 5 crores and above per annum, can contribute to the disaster management activity, rehabilitation, rebuilding in this, and contribute to the CSR activities in this severe corona second wave. So I request sincerely and honestly to all the company management and all the chartered accountants, those are working independently also, and all the chartered accountants who are attached or working in any of the commercial organization, and all the company secretaries who are attached or working in a commercial organization or in a company, those comes under this financial criteria of the corporate social responsibility under section 135 of the Companies Act 2013. So can utilize and can contribute as per the point number 9 and point number 12 of the Schedule 7 of the CSR. I request all the management and the chartered accountants and the company secretaries, so please come forward and contribute as much as you can contribute to our society to fight with this severe corona second wave. So I request all, so please come forward and contribute as per the point number 12 and as per the point number 9 of the schedule of the 7, and please contribute. So thank you very much. So, and we have to be together to fight with this corona second wave. So let us hand together we can save, and together we can grow. So I request you all, so please come forward and contribute in the form of CSR to the present severe corona second wave. In any kind of thing you can contribute. Even through, you can say, you can contribute point number 12 and point number 9 of the schedule 7. So I request you, the management, chartered accountant and the company secretary, so you can say, you can come forward and contribute, and let us save our society, and let us help our society, which is severely fighting with the second wave of the corona. Thank you very much for listening me. So let us contribute to our society, and let us save our mankind. Thank you very much.